Over the past few years, let's say from 2020 to the end of 2022, Snowflake did an awesome job in the market, marketing their cloud data warehouse, and a lot of customers really were adopting it. What these customers weren't realizing is over those years, they were just loading everything into Snowflake because Snowflake works in a way that it's a proprietary data system. So it's ELT. You have to load all the data in before you can transform and process it. The thing that these customers were not realizing is majority of the use cases that we see is customers don't need all of their data. So if you have 100 terabytes coming from on-prem databases or streaming websites or local files on your computer, to get that into Snowflake and really get the value out of it, you have to load all of that data in. That is really expensive because when Snowflake loads the data in, it has to scale up to a high level of a warehouse to be able to process that amount of data. What we found is how can we offset those costs, optimize the Snowflake environment while keeping all the great Snowflake features intact, and so that the end users don't know the difference. What we did is we paired AWS Glue with Snowflake. AWS Glue is a data processing feature where it does ETL, you can write custom languages in there, all that great stuff. So what we found is rather than load all your data into Snowflake first and then process it, we land the data in an S3 bucket, use Glue to transform it, process it, and get it to a curated format, and then load that data into Snowflake. This way, you're only paying for the data you need, and then you're leveraging Snowflake after that data is in, using their share and curated data sets and all those things. Our solution optimizes the Snowflake environment in terms of cost and performance because we're using AWS Glue to transform and process that data, land that in an S3 bucket in a curated format, and then you could pull that data into Snowflake to leverage for those type of data sets, sharing, all those great features. And our solution is going to save you anywhere from 10 to 35% of cost of your overall Snowflake bill.